APLD was trending yesterday, the 14th of November 2025, as traders continue to react to the stock's sharp price drop that has persisted since it disclosed its multi-billion dollar debt offering. That was on the 12th. 12th was Wednesday, yeah, it sparked intense debate about the company's financial strategy and long-term direction in the AI data center space. The new debt raise has divided the community. That's the community of traders and investors. Some investors worry about the high interest expenses and the possibility of future dilution, arguing that capital structure is becoming increasingly aggressive. Others counter that the company is simply accelerating growth to secure its position in a rapidly expanding market, emphasizing that the stock's long duration contracts and hyperscaler partnerships provide clear revenue visibility. Despite the broader market weakness affecting AI infrastructure names, yes, that's it's going on right now and it's expected to remain in place. We've had Bank of America instructing probably their clients to invest in other stocks, not AI stocks. So, regardless of all of that, many bulls see APLD's volatility as an opportunity, pointing to oversold technical indicators and high short interest that could set the stage for a potential short squeeze. Supporters highlight the company's multi-year backlog, expanding AI campus footprint, and strong demand from hyperscalers as evidence that the long-term trajectory remains intact. As a result, their discussions are split between concerns about leverage and optimism surrounding the company's pivotal role in the next wave of AI computer build-outs, making the stock one of the most actively debated names in the sector. Yes, yeah, one of the most actively debated. Let's have a look and see what the short interest is in APLD. Yeah, I think I've checked it before of late. Yeah, the theme vase is usually good. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Sure, 34.36%. That's a lot. Yes. Yeah, that's quite handy. Okay, so yesterday it gained 7.2% in the post-market session. Ultimately, for the whole of yesterday, settled with a gain of 7.2%. Underlying trend still strongly bullish. Okay. Yeah, the stock has been contracting the expansion that it had in place since the middle of April, just like the broader market, just like all the other just like the broader market. So it's contracting that expansion. So yeah, it's some might even say that it's not even enough. Some might say that this contraction is not even enough. But in any case, the extrapolation is saying that yeah, it might get volatile. From now till the 26th of September. So it's expected to trade within the space and maybe trade, yeah, within the space. As a space that is, you can see now, formed by the extrapolation of its 40-day moving average and its 3-day moving average. So projections are saying 26.06 is an upper projection and then down projections of 21.8 to 19.20. Previous projections were saying, yeah, they were more ambitious. 4th of November, that was Tuesday the 4th, about almost 2 weeks ago. Yeah, almost 2 weeks ago. Then it was actually it was already declining, but obviously not as much as it has done so far. The projections were like 32, 33.02, 56.13, 66.46, 72.84. Okay. Positions opened all the way back to 21 days ago are surely out of profit, but let's confirm what the ones opened up to 21 days ago, surely not in profit. 200-day moving average still in profit, but let's validate that of the 40 positions opened 40 days ago. Let's see what it's saying. That's all. What we need to do is apply this price pressure momentum indicator here. Yes, they are still in profit, and they're still in profit and trending. Trend mode is from 0.25, and it's just slightly above trend mode. You can even see that moving average. That's this one, 40-day moving average, still looking, well, yeah, it's actually sloping up, still sloping up. But um, let's see, the selling pressure that's going on right now could affect it. Yeah, it could. Let's see now. Let's return that 10 day moving average indicator, price pressure momentum indicator. Okay, so yeah, it's from the 11th. From the 11th, it just kept on printing non-stop, printing lower prices non-stop. That is 11, 12, 13. Yeah, three straight session of losses, apart from yesterday, the 14th, that it just bounced slightly. So it's just going to be like this, maybe, um, um, volatile, so maybe like we had now 3 days down or maybe 1 day up. You could, yeah, okay, the extrapolation saying it's actually going to bounce and hold. It has bounced, it's saying that that strength will remain in place up till Thursday, and then from Friday it may begin to decline. No guarantee that will be the case. If the reverse could even be the case. The probability of it retesting 31.46 is actually high as well. High, yeah, high, yeah, higher than 50%. Let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart and see. Okay, 4 hour chart is saying yes. Okay, it's not saying that they were going to have a bounce. It's saying that yeah, lower prices may continue to print. So it's just going to be a volatile one. Not. It's saying that it may not be able to cross its 40 period moving average. This pivotal projection here of $24 has served as a good support. It has been able to hold up. Before now, as of Friday, as a matter of fact, yesterday it fell through that moving average, fell through that projection, and then this was two pivotal projections fell through them and found support at just okay, yeah, found support here. Yeah, so sometimes these projections they're out of date, but they're still relevant. So it found support at 20.18 and bounced, and that $24 has come up to, also you can see now it bounced there as well. It got support there, pivoted around there. Let's see, do we have it? Yeah, that's it here. 19.85, same as well. 19.85. Yeah. So what are the odds of it retesting 25.91? Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Very high. Very high probability. I can even tell you it's close to 100%. Yeah. But it doesn't mean it's going to print. That's the paradox of it all. Very high statistical probabilities, but if you want to rely on that, you might be disappointed. This 28.71 also very high as well, very high. But you can rely on that as well. This 31.41, okay, less than 50%, less than 50, very tiny as well, very tiny. 31.34, okay, yeah, small as well, but less than 50%, maybe close to 20% or thereabout. Yeah, 31.80, yeah, that's 1.80, tiny, yeah. So yes, that's for now because the market is not considering the stocks. They are taking their money out. Probabilities of retesting previous highs. Sometimes, as you can clearly see here, it's there. But the paradox of it all is that given the state of the markets now, it may not happen. In the coming days, the rotation, they're going to rotate back into them as well. It's not going to prevail. Surely it's not. Yeah, it's not going to prevail even before. Yeah, they can't wait. There's no other thing there. There's no other game in town. What other stock are you going to buy? This is just the exit, and then the main architects of this rotation have already gone. It is just those who are just discovering. They are the ones who are coming back now, and helping to pull it back down a lot. a lot lower for the big game changers. For them to go back in again, and then up to the hills we go again. There's no other game in town. It's AI. It's AI. There's no other game in town. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.